Hello viewers, hope you're all having a fantastic day. So today I want to show something to you. I actually want to debunk one of the theories that have been running around on the YouTube platform, being spread by so many make money online YouTubers. As you can see right here, I'm not going to be calling out people's names specifically, but most of these people that are telling you they can re-upload videos on YouTube using the Creative Commons way, and even this one here it says not Creative Commons, please ignore everything. I'm talking from a point of experience here, and I will show you exactly what I'm talking about in just a few minutes. But basically what these guys are saying is that you should download the YouTube videos. Okay, so I searched here re-upload videos to YouTube, then you should go to filter and then click on Creative Commons. Okay, and then you can basically download these videos, okay, and cut them up or just make them your own in a certain way, then re-upload it to YouTube. Under no circumstances should you ever do it. Number one, those people may not even be the proper owners of that specific video, and you will get copyright strike. I will show you. Okay, so this was a channel that I started back in March, and it took off. At the start, it took off quite awesomely. Look at the red arrows here on the left. You will see channel violations, active community guideline strikes. Now this is because there's too many copyright strikes on the channel. There was too much on the channel itself, and that's actually the second one. Okay, now look at the views in the watch time all went down because I haven't been uploading on the channel. I'm kind of stuck on it now. It took off at first and all of these copyright strikes just started appearing, and even some of my videos got taken down by the YouTube platform. Okay, as you can see, look at the views here. The channel was growing quite nicely at the start, but partially blocked. Copyright claim. Okay, copyright claim May 26. Okay, look at this, copyright claim. This was one of my top performing videos. Okay, and this is the one that actually brought in the second copyright claim, which put in a channel violation. Okay, so now that's my second strike on my channel. As you can see here, I haven't been uploading on the channel at all anymore. I'm kind of stuck. I need to change the niche. Okay, I'm looking at the different avenues, and I'm gonna have to wait until that copyright strike goes away, because the first one lasts a few weeks, the second one lasts a few months. So now I have to wait for a few months until I can start re-uploading videos. Okay, it's not that I cannot do it at this time, but what happens during this time is that YouTube suppresses your videos. They do not recommend you to as many viewers as without that copyright claim. Now guys, there is a way of doing this legally. Okay, just ignore what the YouTubers are telling you. I've actually shown you a method that you can do this. Okay, but I'll just show you again really quick. In the following video, I'll break it down for you step by step how you can do this really easily. Okay, it's all it will take is 1 hour's work. Okay, so you need to get stock videos or stock pictures and stock music. Now even stock sounds. Okay, now stock music and stock footage and all of that is basically royalty free, copyright free. It's all over the internet. It's an open source public library, which means anyone can use it. Okay, so all you need to do is find a really cool song, okay, and upload it to YouTube with a picture, name of the song, and no copyright music, whatever, and people will listen to it. People can download this. You can make money, because guys doing this currently, they're making a lot of money. Okay, but I'll show you how to do it, and I'll show you bigger channels and smaller channels in that niche in the next video. Okay, so just remember that everything that these YouTubers are telling you, not everything is the truth. They like to bend the truth a little, and sometimes they outright lie to you guys. So if you have started with this method or thought about starting with this method, just leave it. Find some other different niche on YouTube, okay, and then take it from there. But do not use any copyrighted music or anyone else's videos for that matter. Okay, so I hope this helped you guys. I hope you see that that most of the people, that if you have been following them, that they cannot be trusted, what they are saying cannot be trusted, and I want to help you guys build something for yourself in the future. Okay, so anyways, it's enough from me for today. I'll get busy with tomorrow's video and I will show you exactly step by step how you can do it. Okay, so anyways, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, do so, like this video and share it with your friends so everyone can know the truth. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye bye.